Got a hot one for you guys. So hot. I'm coming. Give me a sec here. Gotta get the shot set up. We got the old school tech and the new school tech side by side. Where am I going? That's all the stuff I need. Hey y'all, Erfon Elijah, Gadget Hunter. These are my beloved Star Trek The Next Generation vintage mugs. Oh, I love them so much. These are from the early 90s. I got Counselor Troy. I got that Riker lean. I use these every morning to sip my coffee, but the thing is, they're analog. You put the coffee in, and half an hour later, your drink, it tastes like pool water. And we don't like that. We want a piping hot drink the entire time we're drinking a cup of coffee. That's where the Ember mug comes into play. This is an $80 a mug. Let me rewind that for you. Yes, an $80 mug. I know some of you just, but you need to hold on a sec because I'm gonna tell you why this mug might actually be worth it. Let's get these out of here. So there's a lot of technology built into this mug. First of all, it's nice and hefty. It's a steel mug encased in a really beautiful ceramic. This mug, unlike the mug that you're probably using, your plebeian mug, it will keep your drink the temperature that you set for between 45 and 60 minutes. So you pour your drink in, the mug activates and it knows there's a drink in there. And then via the iOS app or the Android app, you can dial in exactly what temperature you want your drink to be. And then the mug will hold that temperature all day, or if you have it off the base, until the battery dies. One of the things that I love, it has a very nice blinking LED light in here. I like all my technology to blink in some way. And plus it looks fancy. If your friends ask you to lunch, you can say, you know what? I just can't go with you guys. I have to update the firmware on my brand new future mug. I'll catch you guys next time. Now I was thinking, would you really want to use this mug for tea? After all, you could just use a traveler mug, right? Well, the thing about this mug is it will take your drink down to the temperature that you set and then hold it there. Whereas if you're drinking out of a traveler mug or something like that, it's gonna hold that temperature of the water when you pour it in, and it can be really hot for way too long. You could burn your tongue. I don't mind it actually. That's one of the things about this mug that I wish they would change is the top temperature is 145 degrees. But I like my drinks real hot. Just ask your mom. 160 degrees is where I like it, maybe even 170 degrees. So Ember, crank up the temperature on this, would ya? My only other complaint is this is a pretty big mug, isn't it? I mean, check this out. Here's another mug right next to it. It's a little bit larger. But the thing is I think this mug actually holds less liquid than this mug. And that's because it has all this technology built into the bottom. So even though it looks like a larger mug, it really feels like it doesn't hold that much liquid. I wish it would hold more. So I don't know, maybe I'm totally out of touch. What do you guys think? Would you pay $80 for a mug? Honestly, if you like piping hot coffee, this might be the one for you. There's not really anything else on the market that I know of that does this as well as this device does it. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. My name's Erfon Elijah. If you like this content, make sure you go and rub the nipples of that subscribe button. I'm coming back with even better stuff than this, which is not gonna be that hard actually because, well, you saw what I just did. Make sure you're here for other videos and I'll catch you guys